Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'll show you how to get direction on Google Map. So simply search for map and just simply open up map. Okay, so here you can see you must need to turn your location on. So if your location is not on, you won't be able to get the direction from Google Maps. So simply just turn your location on, and here you can see the location button on the you can see if you tap on that notification button, and if your phone compass is working fine, now here you can see it will show you the right direction. Like if you are moving on the south, if you're moving to west, it will show you the direction, right? So as what I'm doing is I'm just moving, and here you can see also the movement on the Google Map. But if you don't want to see the movement, and if you want to just simply uh, you can see it's on the I've just turned the compass on. Okay, so it's also the map is also moving around me. So in this way, if your device's compass is working literally fine, then it's very good. But if your phone's compass is not working good actually, so this might confuse you, right? This might tell you the wrong direction. So don't worry about it. You can simply just also do like this, right? And okay, so this is my location, this is my current location where I am standing on. And if I want to go to, now let's suppose I want to go to that direction, I'm just searching for that direction, which is Lalmatia Block G. So this is the location I want to go, right? So I want to get the direction of this location. So you can see this is the location where I want to go. But if you want to go anywhere else, let's suppose you write the wrong name, so you can just simply choose the direction near where you want to go. So let's suppose this, and this is the location where I want to go, and I'm just simply tapping on. You can see the direction, right? So you can tap on directions. Okay, now here you can see it's showing you the direction. All right, it's showing you the direction how you can go to this place. And this also, it's showing you the traffic. So red is the, you can see the here is heavy traffic, so it's showing you red. So if you also tap on, you can see the tap on that box, and if you tap on traffic, you will be able to see the little the other traffic as well. So, and here you can see this is the direction, so you need to follow this direction. Okay, and you can simply go on, and you need to make sure that your compass the compass of your device is working fine. So these are the facts, and if you tap on start, you will be able to see other things. So you can see if I tap on start, it's showing me the direction. So it will also show me the speed. Okay, so if you are on any car, it will show you the speed as well, speed meter as well, but it doesn't matter. I'm just showing you guys just to make sure you understand everything perfectly. Okay, and here you can see the compass icon, which is written N. So if you tap on that, okay, if you tap on that compass, it will show you like if you are moving around. Okay, it will work according to your device compass accuracy. So you don't need to worry about it. And here you can see the sound option is available right here. So if you want to mute the direction, you can see, if you want to mute the direction sound, you can also mute it. And if you want to unmute, you can simply just unmute it as well. So I want to mute this sound, and you can simply start your trip. So in this way you can get the direction from your Google Map. And after completing the trip, you can also simply tap on that cross icon so that you can see if you reach your destination, you don't need to do any other thing. So in this way you can get the direction and you can reach your destination as well. So I hope you guys understand. If you still have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask in the comment section below. We will upload particular video on this topic if you still have any kind of problem with this. So yep, I hope I'm able to tell you how you can do this. So yep, that was it.